How to be that girl. Unstoppable, unforgettable, and effortlessly iconic. Some girls just have it. They walk into a room and suddenly, everything shifts. Eyes follow them. Conversations slow down. People lean in, trying to catch just a little piece of their energy. They don't force it. They don't beg for attention. And yet, they become the moment. That girl, she moves differently. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to become her. These powerful rules and hacks will make you magnetic, mysterious, and impossible to ignore. This is how you stay on their minds forever. Rule 1. Be hard to get, harder to forget. The less they get, the more they want. Being too available is the fastest way to lose value. The people who are always around, the ones who reply instantly, say yes to everything, and overshare, they're forgettable. If you want to be truly that girl, you need to move with intention. Try this. Don't be the first to text. Let people wonder what you're doing. Limit your social media presence. Post only when you have something to say. Let them miss you. Leave before the moment dies. At a party, exit before it gets boring. In a conversation, walk away before they expect you to. Give people just a taste, but never the whole thing. That's how you stay on their minds. Rule 2. Say less, impact more. The less you say, the more they listen. Most people talk way too much. They overshare, over-explain, and fill every silence. But the most powerful girl in the room? She speaks with purpose. Here's how to master the art of mystery. Pause before speaking. Let people hang on your words. Give just enough detail, but not everything. Keep them guessing. Use silence as a weapon. The girl who isn't afraid of silence owns the conversation. When people don't fully understand you, they become obsessed with trying to figure you out. Rule 3. Keep them on their toes. Be predictable? Never. If people can read you like a book, they'll close it and move on. To be unforgettable, you need to stay unpredictable, but always in control. Here's how. Change up your vibe. One day you're in an all-black power look. The next, you're soft and feminine. Keep them guessing. Surprise them with contrasts. Maybe you're super sweet, but have the sharpest, wittiest comebacks. Maybe you love luxury, but also thrive on simplicity. Don't explain yourself. If you switch plans, change your style, or disappear for a bit, let people wonder why. The moment they think they figured you out, switch it up. Rule 4. Presence over perfection. It's not about looks, it's about aura. Being that girl isn't about looking perfect. It's about feeling perfect in your own skin. Your presence is what they remember. How to radiate confidence effortlessly. Move slowly and deliberately. Rushing makes you look anxious. Slow it down. Master eye contact. Hold it just long enough to make an impact. Have a signature. A scent. A lipstick. A way you tilt your head when you listen. Something subtle but unforgettable. Confidence isn't about what you say. It's about what you don't say. Rule 5. The power of disappearing. Sometimes, the best way to be noticed is to go missing. A huge mistake people make, thinking they have to be constantly present to stay relevant. But the truth? People crave what they can't have. Use this to your advantage. Don't always be reachable. Make people wonder where you are. Cancel plans sometimes. Not in a rude way, just enough to remind people your presence is a privilege. Take social media breaks. Let them notice your absence. When you disappear, people realize your worth. Rule 6. Let them choose you, but always stay in control. You don't chase. You attract. The difference between an it girl and everyone else? She doesn't beg for attention. She naturally pulls people in. How to do it. Never overinvest in someone who's unsure about you. If they're inconsistent, pull back. Keep your energy expensive. Not everyone gets full access to you. Be warm, but not too available. Give people just enough to make them want more. You're not waiting to be chosen. You are the prize. Rule 7. Walk like you're the main character. Your energy enters the room before you do. It's not about looks. It's not about status. It's about how you carry yourself. Walk like you have somewhere important to be. No rushing, no hesitation. Take up space. Don't shrink yourself, own the moment. Maintain effortless composure. Whether you're in a coffee shop or at an exclusive event, act like you belong. The way you move determines the way people treat you. Rule 8. Never be fully figured out. A little mystery makes people obsessed. The moment people think they fully know you, they stop being intrigued. So don't let them. Keep parts of your life private. Let people guess. Always evolve. Switch up your interests, try new things, keep growing. Master the push and pull. Sometimes you're fully present. Sometimes you pull back. Make them chase your energy. Mystery isn't about being distant. It's about leaving space for curiosity. Rule 9. Control your story. If you don't decide who you are, others will do it for you. Act like the person you want to become. That girl knows exactly who she is, and she makes sure others see her that way too. She never lets people's opinions change her. How to stay in control. Speak with confidence. Don't say things like, "I don't know," or "I'm just." Own your words. Be intentional with your image. Your style, attitude, and actions should match the version of you that you want people to remember. Let people talk, but don't explain yourself. You don't owe anyone an explanation for who you are. When you control your story, you control how people see you. Rule 10. Always improve. The girl who keeps growing is the one they can't ignore. Unstoppable girls never stay the same. They keep learning, improving, and leveling up, because the best way to stand out is to keep getting better. How to do it. Stay curious. Read, learn, and try new things. The more you know, the more interesting you become. But choose your circle wisely. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, not those who bring you down. Improve your mind, not just your looks. Confidence and success come from how you think and act, not just how you look. When you keep growing, you become unforgettable. Now, you're not just that girl. You're unstoppable, unforgettable, a true icon. Rule 11. Master the art of the grand entrance. The way you enter a room sets the tone for how people see you. You don't just walk in, you arrive. You command attention without even trying. How to do it. Pause before you step in. Take a second, breathe, then move with confidence. Scan the room like you own it. No rushing, no hesitation, just effortless presence. Wear something memorable, a signature scent, bold earrings, or a power outfit. Something that makes them remember you. When you own your entrance, people feel your presence before you even say a word. Rule 12. Be the calm in the chaos. In a world full of overreacting, over-explaining, and overdoing, the most unforgettable person is the one who stays cool, collected, and unbothered. How to do it. Never let them see you sweat. Even if things go wrong, keep your composure. Confidence isn't just about looking good. It's about staying calm under pressure. Be the one who brings peace, not drama. When others panic, you stay grounded. When people vent, you listen. When things get messy, you stay in control. Silence is powerful. You don't always have to react. Sometimes, the best move is to step back, observe, and let your presence do the talking. When you become the calm, steady force in any situation, people respect you, trust you, and remember you. Because I love you guys, I've got one last golden tip. But before I spill, make sure to subscribe. Because bestie, we don't gatekeep around here. Final rule, you are the prize, act like it. The biggest mistake girls make? Forgetting their worth. You are not an option. You are the moment. Move like you are valuable. Because you are. Expect the best. Because you deserve it. Carry yourself with confidence. Because people will believe whatever you show them. At the end of the day, you decide how the world sees you. And when you apply these rules, you don't just exist. You become unforgettable. With these powerful rules, you're now ready to step into your most confident, magnetic, and unforgettable self. Stick to these habits, and you'll notice the energy shift. People will see you differently, and most importantly, you'll feel unstoppable. Remember, the key is consistency. Keep refining, keep evolving, and watch how the world reacts to you. If you love these tips, share them with your friends, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try. Got your own secrets to being that girl? Drop them below. I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching. Stay fabulous and keep glowing. You're the moment.
Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe. For more videos, click on one of the pictures on the screen.